Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book, but real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 274. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 9. No help here, 2, 7, 9, 9 here, so 2, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. That 2 gets rid of this 2, which means the only place the 2 can be in this box is here. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 9. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 9, 3. And that 9 makes this our 7. For this column now, we're just missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 8, 4 here, so 2, 8, and no help here, 2, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8, but this 4 makes this our 8, 5. That 8 makes this our 2, 4. And that 5 makes this our 8. For this box now, we're just missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 covering these two columns, so our 4 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 3, 2 here, so 9, 2. For this box now, we're just missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 9, but we've got the 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7, 9 here, so 4, 9. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row, we're just missing a 7. For this box, we're just missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.